How to fix cellular option missing in Android settings. So if you want to fix cellular option missing on your Android, then what you need to do is first open up your settings application. Once you open your settings, you need to go for a language and region, or you can simply go for the language. Go for the search, which is on the upper right, and then search for language and tap on languages. And here you will have your language option, right? So go for the language and then you can simply tap on add a language, and you need to select a language on your device. So you need to select another language, and then you can again go back to the English and switch to English or any language that you are comfortable with. So once you've changed that, you can go back, and here you may search for region. Under your region here you will have a region, right? So here I have the China region. So you can simply change your region. So choose the region, and once you've changed your region, you need to restart your device, and once you've restarted your device, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix cellular option missing in your Android settings. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.